Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? Yeah, most everybody else out there hunting. Me and Buck, we finna catch some of them wintertime bass. It's actually tried to be winter in Texas here lately. Yeah, that's my phone. I think what the highs today, what, 61?
You don't hear it, baby.
Not at all. He got him a no trolling motor we're out here trying out. Some kind of generic fucking Walmart shit, I don't know. But, and a no graph. We ought to be able to catch like twice as many fish, so we probably catch 4 today. Alright, bring y'all along when I get to fishing. I'm finna put the GoPro on. Like, share, subscribe, we're gone. Like a kid with a no toy. Look at him. Look at him with his gay ass 6-inch jersey on. He's homosexual. Him and Lay Livis, they sleep together. Buck, second fish. Ain't near as good as the first one. We missed the first one on video. Well, we probably got about 6 pounds now.
Yeah.
But they're tearing them up on that 65 shad.
Rattle scrap. He wasn't coming off. I didn't even mouth. Shit.
He catched them so fast and so hard, he didn't even know he had a fish hook. That's crazy.
I'm telling you, that's a bad fucking. We may have 11 pounds.
Buckner's on them. I can't catch one to save my life, yo.
Well, that's because you ain't got.
I ain't got the magic bait.
That's what that's about, motherfucker.
What bait is it?
Thunder.
Thunder. It's a big cricket. A loud cricket. It's just a fucking cricket. And Tennessee shad. I hope y'all enjoyed the Buckner show today. Yeah, they put a hammering on them. I missed the big fish. They caught one that was almost 10-2 on a red rattle trap in about 2 foot of water. I'll try to put a picture of it up at the end of the video. But it's getting late. He's still up there doing what he does. I'm sick of fucking with him. I missed 18 fish. And just had a general shitty day.